Situated in the regional municipal county of Abitibi-Ouest, the Lake du Parquet Research and Teaching Forest, the French acronym is FELD, is a good example of the boreal mixed wood forest of Eastern Canada.
The main reason for the creation of the Lake du Parquet Research and Teaching Forest, it was because for a long period we had set up experiment, trial in the area, and we wanted to protect the area in such a way we can continue and make a follow-up of the research. But also we wanted to have this forest to be closer to our partner, governmental and industrial partner who are doing the forest management in the area. So in having the forest, it was possible for us to better know what were the main issue in forest management that our partner were facing.
The Lake du Parquet Research and Teaching Forest is considered a special place for research, field experiments, training and demonstration activities in ecology and forest science. Some of the research undertaken in the forest is focused on gaining a better basic understanding of how forest ecosystems function. For example, the effect of climate on tree growth and reproduction, the effect of forest age and composition on soil processes and on biodiversity. Applied silvicultural research is also an important activity at the FELD, and a number of field trials, particularly in partial cutting and experimental plantation. The research station of the Lake du Parquet Forest was built and inaugurated in 2005, 10 years after the creation of the Research and Teaching Forest. These infrastructures are essential to the ongoing research in the forest, but also for accommodating researchers from uqat and uqam and other research organizations. The research station houses a modern dendroecology laboratory for tree ring study and a paleoecology laboratory added in 2010 in the second construction phase of the station. Most of the tree and sediment samples that are analyzed in these labs come from studies undertaken well outside the FELD and even from outside of Quebec. Other laboratories are used primarily to facilitate pre-treatment of samples, whether of vegetation, soil, insects, or other organisms, in preparation for more specialized analysis in the laboratories of the concerned researchers. The future of the boreal forest will depend, in part, on our capacity to anticipate future changes that will affect its growth and health. The studies undertaken at the Lake du Parquet Forest and its research station aim to better understand the functions and processes driving the forest ecosystem and to test new approaches to managing these ecosystems. Ultimately, our improved understanding is contributing to the development of the forest management practices that can be adapted to changes in climate and other environmental stresses, and this while maintaining the natural biodiversity and ecosystem services provided by the forest.